Yeah, that rice was untouched. I cooked it yesterday morning before going to work because I was expecting to be eating it last night. But you know, last night Sumudo invited us to eat in their apartment. Yeah, so we had a dinner last night. The wife of Sumudo cooked yellow rice, which is really delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. And yeah, they also cook chicken and pork, crispy pork. I don't know the name, but yeah, it's a Sri Lankan food. Delicious. Yeah. And then I get home, I sleep, and this morning I wake up at 6. Oh, a lot of people this time. They're having a picnic. Yeah, this morning I wake up at around 6 o'clock. Then I went back to bed, and then I received a phone call. Yeah, I answered the phone, and I learned that he is Kuya Ruel. Yeah, they are driving with his wife. They are coming from Sydney. Oh, so many people everywhere. Really beautiful. You see there? Yeah, so yeah, they invited me for breakfast, and I meet them at around 9 o'clock. We had the breakfast in Albura Marina, and they pay for my breakfast. Yeah, we had a chat, good conversation. I learned so many things from them, and it's good. Yeah, they are having a good life now. They are just traveling whenever they want. They go anywhere. They really have a nice life. Oh, let's have a look. A lot of people, really. Yeah, I'm going here to meet Kuya Ruel. I don't know him yet. I did stop and decided to walk because there are two, a couple. I feel that I need to do the walk for their safety. Wow, look at that. It is high tide. Yeah, during low tide you see the rocks, but it's high tide this time. I'm actually going to meet the Kuya Ruel somewhere here, I don't know. Good morning, guys. Already I show you the time, but yeah, it's 9:12. I'm going to prepare my breakfast. I already had the coffee. This is the rice leftover. I'm still going to use this use oil. Yeah, use this oil to fry the calamari. Yeah, that is how it is. That is how we. I don't know if it's the same way of cooking in the Philippines, but it looks like this. I am thinking of adding some corn because I have a corn kernel here. So it will be coming like chili con carne. I'm not sure. I'm not going to put that. Oh, I remember one of my colleague in Sydney before. He is Mexican. He cook chili con carne, and it's really nice. That's the best tasting chili con carne I have tasted. Yeah, it's like our stop meal. We are going to work now. Yeah, 11:20 when I left the house. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, good evening, guys. Yeah, today I finished at 9. I actually signed out at exactly 9:06. I am now preparing my dinner. It's rice, cooking now, and this. If you remember, this morning I cooked corned beef and potato. And then I just add some water today, so it's like a soup now. That is delicious. Yeah, nice. That's it. And I will be watching Kadinang Gilpo. And I think I finally learned to love you more. Do you know that this one is a yoga mat? Yeah, this is just $6 from Kmart. And yeah, I put it there. I put there. Yeah, and during winter it's really good. Yeah, the floor is not really cold. Also, when you're standing in here, you feel that it's really warm, really nice. Yeah, we are going out. I just taking this towel because we maybe are going to go to the water. We're going to eat fish and chips or calamari. No rice because there's less Asian restaurant here. They have a weekend market here today. Yeah, we're going to have a walk. At the moment there are not so much people, so it's okay to walk the bike inside. Yeah, this is so good when it's like this. It's more than Sydney, you know. It's more beautiful than that if it's whenever there are more people like this. Yeah, there's so much movements going on in there. There is like a water park. A lot of people who are what is that, kayak, paddle boarding, yeah, swimming of course, and yeah, those boat, really nice. And some people are just relaxing. If we get down here, actually I'm going to get down, I will show you how much people are there in here. Yeah, oh, look at that though. The water is coming in. Okay, we get up now. Amazing. You know, these things happens only during like this Christmas season, because you know Christmas season is school holiday. It is not good to bike around this time because yeah, a lot of people are walking on the pathway, and it's a little you know, dangerous. You get to hurt someone with the bike. Yeah, so walking is the best thing to do right now here. And you know, my plan was to stay just right there with my bike. If you remember in my previous video, I was just staying there, but impossible today because a lot of people, they might think that I was looking to them. Yeah, if you see them, they are having a drinking session. We're actually going to the other side because we're going to eat there calamari. I am not sure if there is a space for me in there. I hope so. Okay, I will be waiting. Yeah, the same like any other people on this side. They are also waiting for their meal. Okay, so yeah, I got it. But the challenge now is where to eat it. Where? There is literally no place for me to stay. Every space is occupied. They already built their tent to stay for the whole day. Okay, I found the place, but it's a little hot here. Not shaded, You're going to sit in this table. Oh, oh, maybe that side. We are back here in this food shop. I got this cappuccino. I forgot how much, but we are going to bike around on that side. Okay, I decided I am going home now. I'm not comfortable biking around with so many cars. You know, even here, this place is a little secluded, but still a lot of car. From time to time there are cars coming, going out, coming. Yeah, especially in the highway. So many cars in there. Biking around is not good. We go home. Yeah, they have yeah, like a fiesta. There are so many rides, but at the moment they are closed. Yeah, they may be going to open tonight. I'm not sure. Because this time all the people are in the beach and yeah, there's nothing here, no one here. It's not working this time. Yeah, we are back in here in Nelson Bay in Albura Marina, and all the shops I think are all open already. Yeah, we are going to walk there. We're not going to be shy. We just keep on going. We don't care if people are looking at us, at me. Yeah, we're just going to leave the bike there. Then we're going inside to the grocery to buy something. I don't know yet. We're going to take one of this napkin. Yeah, for the toilet. We're going to take one of these anti-blackheads. I don't know, something to wash the face. Because, you know, if you notice in my vlog, you've seen in my video that, yeah, you're seeing some of the pores in my nose, right? Yeah, I don't know. When I was young, like in high school, I was very careful with my face. You know, I was using Eskinol to clean my skin, my face. But these days, not anymore. But you know, I will try again. Maybe I'm going back to. Hi, you remember me?
Yeah. He's doing YouTube channel.
I'm making videos.